You see our puppies are at the corners of their eyes. They're opening up. And they're moving around a little bit better. We're 2 weeks old now. So by next week, we should have our eyes fully open. Uh-oh. We got some coughing going on. What happened? Let's see if we can see these little faces. These are the chocolates. We have red collar, who is a girl, orange collar, and blue collar, which are both boys. Come here, buddy. They're facing the wrong direction. There we go. Aw. All right, these are my apricots. Blue, who is the boy, is the biggest one in the center here. And then Dusty Rose. Look how pretty she is with that white splotch on her nose. And then we have Tiny Violet, who, come on, baby. Oh no, this is purple, not violet. Once again, a little bit of white on her nose, and there her eyes starting to open. These are our cream colored girls. We have green right here, and hot pink, let's see right there, and then violet, who is the smallest. And the last two cream pups are my boys, and I have brown collar. And notice the white streak on his head right there up to his nose. He is going to be stunning. And then the last little boy is gray. Once again, notice the white streak on his nose and his head. They're going to be such pretty pups.